Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's topic is alcohol and phenol. It is the continuation of the ethers. What are the uses for alcohol? Alcohol used as a beverages, for example, wines. 3 to 6% of alcohol obtained from the barley. Another one is cider. 2 to 6% of alcohol obtained from the apples. Another one is phenol. Phenol is used to manufacture of drugs, dyes, explosive compound, pesticide. Another one is antiseptic, etc. First topic is alcohol. What is the general formula for alcohol? ROH. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Next, classification of alcohol. First one is monohydric alcohol. Another one is dihydric alcohol. Another one is trihydric alcohol. What is the definition for monohydric alcohol? Organic compound which containing only one OH group. This name is called monohydric alcohol. Example: CH3, CH2OH. What is a dihydric alcohol? Organic compound which containing the two OH group. Example: CH2OH, CH2OH. What is a dihydric alcohol? Organic compound which containing the three OH group. Example: CH3OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This name ethanol. This name glycol. This name glycerol. Monohydric alcohol further classified into three types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, another one is tertiary alcohol. Next, nomenclature. Common name, that is alkyl group attached to the OH group, is alkyl alcohol. IUPAC name. This alcohol IUPAC name can be derived from alkane. In alkane, terminal E replaced by OL. This is alkanol. Another one is isomerism. Alcohol can be classified into four types of isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. Another one is position isomerism. Another one is function isomerism. Last one is optical isomerism. Chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism already discussed. You know that. Another one is optical isomerism. What is the meaning for optical isomerism? This carbon is asymmetric carbon atom. Optical active molecule exhibit isomerism. This name is called the optical isomerism. What is the optically active compounds? 4 different groups. Four different group attached to the same carbon atom. This carbon is asymmetric carbon atom. Optical active molecule exhibit isomerism. This name is called optical isomerism. Next, preparation. First one, wood alcohol obtained from methanol. Methanol is obtained from distillation of wood heating in the absence of oxygen. This name is called methanol. Another name zeroin. Another name carbinol. Second one is grain and fruits. Fermentation of sugar is ethanol can be obtained from grains and fruits. Another alcohol, higher number alcohol undergo addition reaction and substitution reaction. Another one is a substitution reaction. Another one is from Grignard reagent. Another one is reduction. These are the method to prepare the is what higher number of alcohol. First one is addition reaction. CH3 C H CH double bond CH2 in 3-way. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Catalyst CH3 CuO twice mercury and water, and reduction catalyst sodium borohydride in the presence of alkaline medium. These follow Marconi-Karp rules. Another one is hydroboration, oxidation reaction. So catalyst is NaOH. This follow anti-Marconi-Karp rule. Another one is hydration. Hydration means addition of water, that is H plus sulfuric acid. This follow point number 1 Marconi-Karp rule, point number 2 stability, order tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary, point number 3 rearrangement. First one is oxymercuration and demercuration follow the Marconi-Karp rule. What is the Marconi-Karp rule? negative part of the addend molecule attached to the carbon carrying least number of hydrogen. The product is CH3, CH, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This one secondary alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3-methyl 2-butanol. Hydroboration oxidation undergo anti-Marconic rule. Negative part of the addend molecule attached the carbon carrying maximum number of hydrogen. Product is CH3, CH, CH2, OH. This one is a primary alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. This name is 3-methyl 1-butanol. Hydration reaction follow the Marconic rule and stability rearrangement. This carbocation, more stable carbocation, so OH group attached here. So this become CH3, C, CH3, OH, CH2, CH3. This name tertiary alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl 2-butanol. This one is a very important. How to concentrate. Oxymercuration and demercuration follow the Marconic rule. Hydroboration oxidation follow the anti-Marconic rule. Another one is a hydration follow the Marconic rule. Stability rearrangement. This addition reaction. Another one is a substitution reaction. Here condition is RNH2 converted into ROH. So NH2 converted into OH by using the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid obtained from sodium nitrate plus mineral acid. For example, RNH2 react with the nitrous acid. Here this amine is a primer amine. This is nitrous acid. Removal of water molecules. This become R N double bond N OH. This is unstable intermediate. Next, treated with water. Water acts as a nucleophile. This group can be replaced to formation of R OH plus N2. This reaction follow the nucleophilic substitution reaction. This name is called substitution compounds. Another ones from Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Condition is formaldehyde will give primary alcohol, acetaldehyde will give secondary alcohol, acetone will give tertiary alcohol. We discuss formaldehyde CHO H C double bond O H. Grignard reagent methyl magnesium iodide. Grignard reagent generate carbanion. Carbanion attack in the carbonyl bond. This bond substituted here to formation of CH3 CH2 O Mg I. Further is a hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. This bond is a break, hydrogen OH to formation of CH3 CH2 OH. This is a primary alcohol. Formaldehyde will give the primary alcohol, acetaldehyde will give secondary alcohol, acetone will give tertiary alcohol, remaining for same method. This name ethanol. Another reaction, Boehlert-Planck reduction. CH3 C double bond O C2H5. This compound is one ester, ethyl acetate. Ester and its derivatives are aldehyde or ketone reduced by hydrogen in the presence of sodium ethanol. How to break hydrogen? Here one hydrogen. Here carbon, oxygen, double bond. One is a sigma bond, another one is a bi bond. Bi bond is a weak bond under the break. Totally 4 hydrogen. To formation of CH3, CH2, OH, so 2 moles. Preparation of alcohol. Another one is undergo reduction. This name clay oxide. Same process. Sodium ethanol to formation of CH2OH. CH2OH. This method it is used to preparation of dinitric alcohol. Another one is preparation of glycerol. CH2 double bond CH3. This react with chlorine temperature 773 Kelvin. 773 Kelvin follow the free radical reaction. This become CH2 double bond CH2 Cl. Simple substitution reaction. Next treated with sodium carbonate. This aqueous. This produce OH. OH can be replaced by the Cl to formation of CH2 double bond CH2 OH. This name allyl alcohol. Further treated with HOCl. This bond is a break. This react with this group. OH react with this group. Carbon double bond undergo break to formation of CH2OH, CHCl, CH2OH. Further treated with NaOH. Is a Cl can be replaced by the OH to formation of this one example for dihydric alcohol. Another one, note. CH3 acid or acetic anhydride or ester or CH3COCl, all are treated with lithium ammonium hydride to formation of primary alcohol. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Treated with lithium ammonium hydride. Another are sodium borohydride. Lithium ammonium hydride and sodium borohydride only reduce the aldehyde group. does not affect the carbon double bond carbon to formation of CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, OH. This one example for primary alcohol, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 butene 1 non. Another one more reduction, same compound, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. Treated with a hydrogen nickel. This hydrogen nickel reduce the both carbon double bond carbon and aldehyde group. CH3, CH2, 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 OH. These are the methods for preparation of monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and dihydric alcohol. Next, properties. This one example for monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. Number of alcohol increase mean boiling point also increases. Boiling point depends upon it form the intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. This boiling point is 351.5 Kelvin. This boiling point is 470 Kelvin. This boiling point is 536 Kelvin. First three members soluble in water. Order of boiling point. Primary greater than, secondary greater than tertiary. Number of alkyl group increase mean boiling point will be decreases. Boiling point decreases with increasing the branches. Another one more physical property, alcohol form the addition compounds with salt like water. For example, CH3, OH, Cu, SO4. That is 2 times. These are the physical nature of alcohol. Another one is a chemical property. Here one more important is alcohol acts as a both electrophile and nucleophile, but phenoxide acts as only nucleophile. For example, ROH react with the carbon and carbon. This oxygen which having the 2 lone pair among 2 one is donated. This become ROH positive charge. Here alcohol acts as a nucleophile. Another one, RCH2OH react with the proton. Oxygen which having the 2 lone pair among 2 lone pair one is donate and accept the proton. RCH2OH2 positive charge. This become RCH2 positive charge. This one acts as a electrophile. Next, acidic nature of alcohol. Acidic nature of alcohol can be explained by the polar nature of oxygen and OH group due to plus R effect. For example, CH3OH or CH2OH. This is electron releasing group, that is a plus R effect. Plus R effect or plus I effect. Here electron releasing. Among three alkyl group, release the electron density to the oxygen atom. Overall electron density of oxygen atom increases. Polarity of oxygen and hydrogen decreases. This one is a least acidic than compared to the remaining. This is point number 1. Another one, point number 2, methanol. Another one is a water. Other alkyl alcohol. Comparison of alkyl alcohol and water. Alkyl alcohol is a weak acid when compared to the water. Next, chemical properties. First one is Lucas test. Order of stability. Tertiary greater than, secondary greater than primary. For example, alcohol react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. How to split? H plus and minus. Oxygen, carbon oxygen bond is a strong bond, cannot break easily, but after the protonation of hydrogen this bond will be weak. So R O H is a positive charge, here hydrogen. After the attack by the nucleophile. Nucleophile attack on the weak bond, this bond. Formation of RCl plus water. Water can be replaced by or removed by anhydrous zinc chloride. For examples, react with the hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. This all functional group attached to carbon carrying no hydrogen, but 3 alkyl group. This tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary and primary alcohol to formation of CH3, Cl plus removal of water. H2O is a tertiary alcohol form immediately targeted. Another one is a secondary alcohol. CH3CH, CH3OH. React with the HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to formation of CH3, CH, Cl, CH3 plus H2O. Tertiary form 5 to 10 minutes. Another one is a primary alcohol CH3, CH2OH plus HCl. In the absence of catalyst, it formed the CH3, CH2Cl plus water. Here no tertiary form but form on heating. This is known as differentiate primary and secondary and These are tertiary, secondary, this one is a primary alcohol. Next one is esterification. Reaction. What is a general esterification reaction? Carboxylic acid react with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to form ester. This process known as esterification. Carboxylic acid general formula RCOOH. Alcohol ROH. This reaction exists at equilibrium in the presence of mineral acid H+ coming from concentrated H2SO4 or dry HCl. Here OH from acid, H from alcohol, removal of water, formation of RCO R plus water. For alcohol, primary alcohol more reactive, CH3OH or CH2OH, R2CHOH, R3COH. Number of alkyl group increase means reactivity will be decreases. For acid, formic acid is a more reactive because of strong acid then compared to the another acid. RCH2COH. Another one is R2CHCOH. Another one R3CCOH. This is known as order of reactivity. Next mechanism. How to this reaction formed? Step 1. First carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid react with the mineral acid. This reaction exists at equilibrium. There are two oxygen. Carbon and oxygen easy to accept the proton because of more polar nature to formation of positive charge and OH. Exist equilibrium. This bond is what is accepted here. Here positive charge R C OH OH. Here positive. Here this one acts as here electron division species. Step 2. Next R carbon OH group acts as electrophile react with the alcohol. In alcohol oxygen there are 2 lone pair. Among 2 lone pair one is donated. This become R OH OH R dash. Next shifting of here positive charge, shifting of hydrogen from another one more alcoholic group to formation of R C OH2 positive charge OH to form R dash. Next step 3. R C OH2 group positive charge OH O R dash. Here oxygen there are 2 lone pair. Among 2 lone pair one is donated. This carbon oxygen bond weak bond undergo break to formation of R double bond OH positive charge OR. Next this oxygen is a more positive charge. This undergo T protonation, removal of H plus to formation of R double bond O R dash is a ester. Formation of ester. This reaction known as the esterification reaction. These are the mechanism for the esterification reaction. Next, methods of differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. First one is oxidation. Second one is catalytic dehydrogenation. Last one is Victor Mayer test. Oxidation, there are different. Strong oxidation, catalyst H plus K2 Cr2O7 or acidification or alkaline medium or neutral medium or potassium permanganate. Here primary alcohol undergo oxidation converted into aldehyde. Secondary alcohol undergo oxidation converted into carboxylic acid. This characterizes a powerful oxidizing agent. Alcohol converted into carboxylic acid. For example, this is a primary alcohol undergo oxidation. This bond is accepted here. This break to formation of CH3 CH double bond. Further oxidation to formation of CH3 COOH. Carboxylic acid, ethanol converted into acetic acid. Likewise, the remaining. This one is a primary alcohol. Another one is a secondary alcohol. CH3 C CH3 hydrogen OH group. Undergo oxidation. This one is shifted here. This break, removal of water to formation of CH3 C double bond O CH3 is a ketone. Another one is further this bond break to formation of CH3 COOH plus formic acid. Here presence of alkyl group, here absence of alkyl group. Further oxidation will give carbon dioxide plus water. Starting material 3 carbon, product is 2 carbon, 1 carbon less. Another one is tertiary alcohol. CH3 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 OH. Oxidation. Functional group attached to carbon carrying 3 alkyl group. This name is called tertiary alcohol. Here absence of alpha hydrogen, this reaction does not undergo oxidation but it takes place in the presence of H plus. This is a protonation, removal of OH group to formation of CH3 CCH3 double bond CH2. Further oxidation, this bond undergo break to formation of CH3 CO CH3 plus formic acid. Further this compound oxidation, acetic acid, this undergo oxidation, carbon dioxide plus water. Product is 2 carbon. Starting material 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon. less number of oxidation. This catalyst, a powerful oxidizing agent, alcohol converted into carboxylic acid. Another one is mild oxidizing agent. What are the mild oxidizing agent means? Chlorine water, sodium hypochlorite, PCC, DDC, chromic anhydride, etc. What is a BCC? Pyridinium chlorochromate, C5H5N plus CrO3 plus HCl. What is a BDC? Pyridinium dichromate, C5H5NH twice Cr2O7. These are called mild oxidizing agent, alcohol converted into aldehyde. Jones reagent. CrO3 plus H2SO4 aqueous plus CH3 COCH3. This one used as a solvent. Another one, Sarrat reagent. PCC in CH2Cl. This one acts as a solvent. What is a PCC? CrO3 plus C5H5N plus HCl. Ratio is 1:1:1. Another one is a Conin reagent. CrO3 plus C5H5N in CH2Cl2. This are the reagent. Aldehyde is a formation of aldehyde from alcohol. That is the example. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. PCC treated. This is a mild oxidizing agent. Alcohol converted into aldehyde does not affect the carbon-carbon double bond. CH3 CH double bond CH. Alcohol. This one is aldehyde. Another one is MnO2. This is a selective oxidation. For example, CH2 double bond CH CH2OH. MnO2 in the presence of acetone. Acetone used as a solvent. This allylic hydrogen alcoholic group converted into aldehyde. Another one, C6H5 CH3. This one is a benzenic alcohol. So treated with MnO2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride as solvent, alcohol group converted into ketones. C6H5, C double bond O, CH3. These are called mild oxidizing agent. Another, this also what mild oxidizing agent. This one is a strong oxidizing agent. Another one is caliform reaction. What is the condition for caliform reaction? That is a CH3C double bond O or CH3CH OH. These are the conditions. Presence of this group, whatever may any compound undergo caliform reaction. Catalyst, chlorine, NaOH or KOH. First, chlorine react with NaOH cold condition to formation of NaOCl plus NaCl plus water will be formed. For example, CH3, CH2OH treated with chlorine, NaOH, first formation of CH3, C double bond O, H. Presence of this one. This compound react with NaOCl to formation of this aldehyde nearest carbon, alpha carbon carrying hydrogen, acetic hydrogen can be replaced by the Cl, CCl3, C double bond O, H plus NaOH. Further, treated with the NaOH, this bond is a break to formation of CHCl3 plus HCOO Na. This name chloroform yellow crystal. Here, methanol does not undergo haloform reaction because of absence of CH3CO, CH3CHOH. This reaction known as a haloform reaction. Haloform reaction condition CH3CO, CH3CHOH. Catalytic dehydrogenation. What is a dehydrogenation? Removal of hydrogen. Catalyst copper 573 Kelvin. Here, primary alcohol converted into aldehyde. Secondary alcohol converted into ketone. Tertiary alcohol converted into olefin. These two are dehydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. Here, tertiary alcohol absence of hydrogen to this undergo dehydration, removal of water. You know that this is the simplest reaction, this mild condition reaction. Another one is Victor-Mayer test. Victor-Mayer test is the best method to differentiate primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. First one is primary alcohol. Another one is secondary alcohol. Another one is tertiary alcohol. For example, CH3, CH2OH. This is a primary alcohol. React with iodine in the presence of red phosphorus. This reaction takes place like a PCl5, PCl3 reaction. For example, phosphorus react with iodine to formation of Bi3. This alcohol OH react with Bi3, 3 iodine, this bond undergo break, iodine is a remaining phosphorus to formation of CH3, CH2, I plus H3PO3. First formation of CH3, CH2I. Further treated with silver nitrate. Silver nitrate is a covalent nature. Nitrogen able to donate this carbon, removal of AgI. to formation of CH3, CH2, NO2. Further react with nitrous acid, HNO2. Functional part is carbon carrying two hydrogen can be replaced by the nitrous acid. How to write the nitrous acid? O double bond NOH. Formation of CH3, C double bond NOH. Yes. Carbon valence 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, treated with salt, KOH or NaOH, because this one is acid, nitroic acid. This hydrogen is acetic hydrogen can be replaced with a K. C double bond NOK. NO2. This name sodium salt of nitroic acid, color is red color. First alcohol converted into alkyl halide, next alkyl halide converted to nitroalkane, nitroalkane converted into nitroic acid, nitroic acid converted into sodium salt of nitroic acid. Secondary alcohol, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. React with iodine, red phosphorus. Same reaction to formation of CH3, CHI. So CH3. Further react with the AgNO2. CH3, CHNO2, CH3. Further react with the nitrous acid, HNO2. Functional part is the carbon carrying only one hydrogen, two alkyl group. How to write the nitrous acid? CH3, C, CH3, NO2, N double bond. There is an acetic hydrogen. This name is called pseudo nitro. Color is blue color. Another one is a tertiary alcohol. CH3C, CH3 OH group. Functional group has the carbon carrying no hydrogen but 3 alkyl group. Iodine, red phosphorus. CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Another one is I. Further react with silver nitrate. Here, functional part is the carbon carrying no hydrogen. Next, we react with the nitrous acid. No reaction. This compound is colorless. This known as the differentiate between primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol will give the red color, secondary alcohol will give the blue color, tertiary alcohol colorless because of absence of alpha hydrogen.